Hello everyone, Todd here from IsoFit Strength Zone Nolan Hill. On this video I'm going to go over how to find the weakest point of balance using a piece of cardboard and sticks. So in the Filipino martial arts they commonly will use 2 sticks to find the weak point of balance. So I'm just going to show you here. If I take these 2 sticks, now they're at that point, and same with that line on the cardboard. They're in line right now because of the way my feet are angled. So my weak point of balance is going backwards or directly forward. So as long as that center line is in the center of my body, that's the weak point of balance. Now the problem with using 2 sticks is, if I were to change my foot angle, now take a look at where the point of the sticks are, hopefully you can see, versus the red line on the cardboard. So according to the sticks, right between where they merge is the line where the weakest point of balance is. But it's not. The weakest point is right down the center of that red line. So that's why I came up with this piece of cardboard with these lines on it, because it's a better, more precise representation of where the weakest point of balance is. So I'm just going to quickly show you how this works. Now, of course, it's not practical to have this piece of cardboard every time you're training. But if you look at the visual and then develop the ability to see where these lines are without the piece of cardboard. But first you have to see the cardboard and the lines to comprehend it. So if I put my feet in here, and notice how the center line is in the center of my body. Now, no matter how I move my feet, that follows me. And whether it's forward or backward, as long as I'm going directly on that red line, in the direction of that red line to the point of the triangle, I will lose my balance. And of course, forward, I'm more likely to be able to step forward and catch my balance, as opposed to going backwards. So anytime you get a chance to knock someone off balance, backwards makes the most sense. However, there are some throws that take the person forward. Some judo-like throws, like the shoulder throw, has you throw the opponent forward. So if the opponent was to throw me in a shoulder throw, it would make sense for him to go in this direction here. So again, I'm just going to show you, no matter how I move, this moves with me. No matter how I turn my feet, that line remains where the weakest point of balance is. So once you use this and physically see with this visual representation, then you'll get to the point where you don't need this anymore, but you have to put in a lot of hours of training to really comprehend the precise angles of the weak point of balances. Give it a try.